In this video, I'll show you how to list your course on Expertnaire. If you're a digital creator and you got some courses you want to list on Expertnaire, ensure you subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell notification for lots of educational guides and content like this. Now, at first, you head over to your Google Chrome browser, right? I'll come on here from my search and I'll type in Expertnaire, right? So I'm going to show you how you can list your digital courses on Expertnaire. If you got some courses you want to list, this would be a full step-by-step tutorial on how you can do that. Now this is Expertnaire digital products website, right? You'd come on here. This is the digital marketplace, and from this digital marketplace you can see there are a whole lot of products that are listed here already. And in this video I'm going to show you how you can list your products amongst these digital products here on Expertnaire. Now ensure you watch this video throughout, like watch it till the very end, so as you understand some things you need to know. Now these are some products listed on Expertnaire. Newbie Affiliate Marketing Expo, small audience reach gang. These are the products that are listed here. And before your products would get listed here on Expertnaire product marketplace, you need to become a vendor, right? Now this is what we are going to learn in this video. Are you a product creator? Let's help you sell more of your digital products. Now you want to become a vendor so as your products can get sold on this digital marketplace by affiliate marketers, and you'll get some profit percent for yourself. Now, if you're a vendor and you want to list your digital product on Expertnaire marketplace, you need to follow these terms and conditions, right? So these are the basic required things you need for your product to get approved on Expertnaire product marketplace. The URL for your product sales page, right? Your product would need a sales page, access to the product delivery system. Let's say you just rounded up with your course and you want to list your course where people can easily access it, even if you are not online or even if you're absent at the moment. So the best recommended one I can give, that is the very best recommended product delivery system I can recommend, is using a Google Drive, right? So if you make some products, like if you make some videos, you can upload it to Google Drive and restrict the access to only those that would pay, right? So if you make payments for the courses, your product will get listed. So like if you make payments for the courses, you will be given access to the Google Drive link where the course videos has been uploaded. So access to a product delivery system. So if you'd ask me, I would think you would go with Google Drive. The percentage you'd intend to pay affiliates for each copy. So let's say your product is listed for 100,000 naira or $100. You can add 50% as the percentage you'd intend to pay affiliate marketers, right? So any affiliate marketer that markets your product, if he sells your product, 50% he'll be getting for himself. Let's say he sold your product worth $100, he'll be going home with $50, right? Your customer support information, where buyers can easily reach out to you. That is, you can add your email address on here. Then once you are done with all this, the URL for product sales page, the access to product delivery system, the percentage you intend to pay affiliate, your customer support information, you would send it to this email address, right? This is the email address, and you use this subject line, request for new vendors application. So once your product has been approved on Expertnaire Product Marketplace, the registration fee is 25,000 naira a year, and it's non-refundable, right? So once you're done with it, the registration link for vendors will be sent to you, and your product will be approved. And once you have created your vendor's account, we'll set up the sales page for your first product on Expertnaire. Now, these are some things you need to know. Expertnaire collects 10% of your product cost. Let's say your product is cost 100,000 naira. If an affiliate marketer sells it, he would go home with 50,000 naira, and Expertnaire would take 5,000 naira, and you'll be going home with 45,000 naira. Hope you're cleared. And the vendors are paid once in 2 weeks, right? So in a month, you'd only get paid twice. So this is it. Let's say if I go back to the first page before we came on here, I'll just click on this link. I want to show you an example right now. Okay, crypto Cubana trading system. I'll click on this. Once I've clicked on this, I wait for this to open, and you can see this, right? You can see this is the sales page of this product vendor, right? This is the sales page, and there's a whole lot of things here for you to see. So this is it. Once you scroll down, like, it's a whole lot of, once I've scrolled down till the very last, I think somewhere here, exactly. So you'd click on this get access now. Once I've clicked on this get access now, you'll be directed to a sales page where you'd make your payment. You'd come on here and fill your first name, your last name, your email address, your phone number. Then you choose a payment method. If you're living in Nigeria, you can use the pay stack. If you're living abroad, you can use the Flutterwave for this. This is how you can list your product on Expertnaire product marketplace. If you have any questions you want to ask me, ensure you share your thoughts below in the comment section. If you got anything, if you got any feedbacks, do that as well in the comment section. Share your thoughts and your feedbacks. Thank you guys. I'll see you guys in the very next one.